Najua there's a thing about the fruits of the Holy Spirit, where there's patience, there's love, peace, kindness, and all these things. And here at Paul, and I get it about Paul. I really always base my preachings on Paul. But one of my favorite characters in the Bible, by the way, ni Paul. Hata juzi nilikuwa nasoma story yake kwa Acts. Apparently the other day I gave a sermon and someone told me, go and read the story of Paul in Acts. Paul alipitia. So I'm reading a story where it's talking about the fruits of the Spirit. So I was reading wacha niwaambie alafu niwaambie about the fruits. So I was reading a story where Paul alikuwa sijui anaambiwa na wengine asiende, sijui ni Jerusalem ama ilikuwa sijui wapi. So akakataa. Imagine mpaka Paul anasema, mnanishangaza sana, mnashtuka kunihusu. I'm even ready to die for Christ, man. But I'm like, wow, I need this kind of faith, man. Alafu akaenda akashikwa, and then sijui there is an emperor mwenye alimweka jela sijui miaka 2 mpaka akatoka, even wanted a bribe. No, Paul won't bribe. It's Paul. Then akatoka. So hata mali nimefika kwa hii story is when he's returned back to sijui Caesar. Then he writes a letter now to Romans. Actually penye nimeachia Acts, sasa ndio sasa Romans. Sasa tumeingia the book of Romans. I've been reading like the last 2 or 3 chapters of Acts ndio nimekuwa nikisoma. So now let me come back to the fruits of the Holy Spirit. One of the things about the fruits of the Holy Spirit utagundua ni usigundua ukiwa na amani, ukiwa na kitu kama peace, ukiwa na joy na love, hata vitu uflow, as opposed to wakati uko wicked, wakati wewe unadriviwa na evil emotions. Sababu imagine being driven by drunkenness, being driven by lust, being driven by these evils zenye ama mada. So unapata mtu wa Mungu amelidiwa na peace, joy, kindness. So even hata kuishi na watu ni rahisi. Go and try being a drunkard alafu ujaribu kuishi na watu uone. It's even hard. And somewhere in the Bible it says, yani usikue mtu wa huko sober most times. Try and this is where inakuja back to the other point. Do not be overcome by evil. But overcome evil with good. Tunajua unakunywa, tunajua unadinyana, tunajua unafanya all these things. But do not be overcome by them. Overcome them with good. The Lord Christ Almighty. Please, brothers and sisters,